Hi, this is Matt from Coursensu, and this is a quick walkthrough of creating ideas with the AI Copilot. So in this design, it's quite early stages, and the topic is data analysis for senior leaders. We're going to add a new item, which we can do from here, and rather than a blank item, we'll add one with the AI Copilot. So we can add it anywhere, but we'll put it in after the knowledge check. So we've only got 2 items so far in this learning design. It will pop up and it will ask you to describe the learning activity that you want to create. So you can type anything you want in here. We'll add that we want learners to explore what data-driven decisions, what that decision-making process looks like. We'll pick from the learning types. We've got a few options here, but we'll pick from the standard list that it's a practice type of activity. And from the duration, we'll make it quite quick. We'll make it 15 minutes long. And these are the parameters that you can use to define any kind of learning experience. But if we pick from the methods library, we can use it to select a suitable method that the AI Copilot can use to then sort of make a suggestion for what can go into this part of your learning design. So while we've got a few options here, we could do a data visualization project, but that sounds a bit big for this stage in the course. Let's keep scrolling down, and we're looking for an interactive simulation. So we can put something in front of the learners for them to play with and to practice with and to better understand data-driven decision making. Once we click generate with the AI Copilot, it will take a few seconds for it to run off and come back with a suggestion. And we'll note that that suggestion has now been turned into an exercise. It's retained our method, our learning type, and the duration. And the title is now Interactive Scenario, Data-Driven Decision Making. Within that, we can go into the storyboard view and explore the details that have been added by the AI Copilot, all of which you can edit, rewrite, and expand upon as you need to. But it's ultimately outlining a 15-minute activity that the learner can do in this part of your learning design. We close the storyboard, we can add more items, we can move this around, we can work with it however we like. Thanks for watching. This was just a very brief demo of the extended functionality of the AI Copilot. There's many more things to discover in Coursensu, the learning design platform, so please check it out on coursensu.com or leave any comments or thoughts in the post down there. Thanks, bye.